Meaning of industrial arts.
Industrial arts.
Industrial arts.
Industrial arts.
Industrial arts. Industrial arts refers to the field of education that focuses on teaching students practical skills related to various industries, such as manufacturing, construction, and transportation. This includes instruction in areas such as drafting, woodworking, metalworking, electronics, and automotive repair. The goal is to prepare students for careers in technical fields by providing hands-on experience and problem-solving skills. Industrial arts programs also promote creativity, critical thinking, and teamwork. By combining academic knowledge with technical skills, students can develop a well-rounded understanding of how things are made and how they work in the real world.